So finally, this is the Thunder 3, especially for touring. It's padada. Background music ayandi. Okay, every time I am forgetting to give our channel's intro, and here's our channel intro. What's up YouTube and welcome back to the channel. Once again, I am Varshik and here today is the Royal Enfield Himalayan with us, our beautiful Senorita, and today we are going to get our brand new helmet. I don't know from which brand I'm going to take. I think I'm going to take it from MT because it depends all on the sizes which we get in the stores. So we'll check out which helmet we are going to get after going to stores. So right now I have 3 stores in my mind. So the first is the Spartan Pro Gear, which is in Somajiguda, and the second store is the Vroom Pro Gear in Banjara Hills, and the third store is the Bikeopedia in Kukatpalli. So जाएंगे, देखेंगे, अगर हमारे साइज है तो खरीदेंगे. So now don't comment down below that I'm not wearing a helmet because I lost my helmet. I'll talk about this topic at the end of this video, so stay tuned, okay? For now, ऐसे ही जाना पड़ेगा. ये मास्क लगा के, ये सनग्लासेस लगा के. సోమాజిగూడ స్పార్టన్ ప్రో అని ఒకటి ఉంది. మ్యాప్లో వేసుకొని పోదాం.
అరే పెళ్ళిది
అరే if you haven't watched this guy, he's that guy who took the delivery of the Benelli Imperiale 400. చాలా లేట్ అయిపోయింది ఇప్పటికే. So we have to move now. The time is now around correctly 5:30 PM. So let's start. So right now I am taking this helmet, the fluorescent green one. If you need one, you can come over here to Spartan Pro Gear here in Somajigoda, Begumpet. This is in Hyderabad actually. So there are more branches. You can visit their website if you want. Testing. Finally, moment of happiness and joy. So actually, he is Vinod from Spartan Pro Gear here in Hyderabad, Somajigoda. And if you come here, he is really helpful in checking out any other helmet. So please do contact Vinod if you come here to Spartan Pro Gear. Back to Dynamic Riders actually. He is Siddharth, the GT650 guy. Actually, you know him. If you are my subscriber, then you got to know him because he was in the last Shamirpet vlog. And the unboxing take 2. Already ఒకసారి అయిపోయింది unboxing showroom లా. Unboxing take 2. Yo sure. Background music వేసుకోండి. Super happy. This costed me a boom actually. Price reveal చేయలే నేను. సైజ్ ఇంకా హైలైట్ అయింది తెలుసా? ఎక్సెస్ అది స్నగ్ ఫిట్. యాక్చువల్గా ఎస్ఎంకే నాకు స్మాల్ ఉండే చూసినావా, అయితే అది ఈ మధ్య షేకింగ్ స్టార్ట్ అయిందా. కరెక్ట్ మెజర్మెంట్తో తీసుకుంటే నా హెడ్ ఎక్సెస్ వస్తుంది. సో ఫైనలీ యాక్చువల్లీ ఐ ఫర్గట్ టు టెల్ యూ పీపుల్ దట్ సిద్ధార్థ్ గాట్ హిస్ బ్రాండ్ న్యూ బిల్మోలా, ఇంకేమైనా పేర్లు ఉన్నాయా? Bilmola Next, the green color Ninja one. It looks pretty cool and pretty amazing actually. I'll show you. So this is the Bilmola Next from Dynamic Riders. So finally, this is our brand new helmet from MT, and this is the Thunder 3 SV model from MT, which is specially designed for touring. I'll let you know what all the features are there in this helmet, but before that, let's change the camera angle. Okay, camera angle is changed. I really wanted to talk to you people about something which is very much important for the owners of pretty cool helmets. Even if you don't own a good helmet, and if you are planning to buy a good helmet, this one is for you. watch it. So this may hardly take 1 minute for me to talk. So the main important thing is, if you really have good helmets, like helmets pricing around 5000 and above, which are pretty much costlier, and the best quality helmets, the dot certified or euro certified helmets, I really wanted you people to know that please take care of your helmets. As I said to you in the starting of the video that I lost my helmet. Yes, I lost my SMK helmet, which costed me 5000 rupees, and I'm really sad for that, but it was all my mistake. But then, so I don't want you people to repeat this. Actually, I don't really take risk without riding on bike without my helmet. So that's the reason I took my helmet for jogging in the ground, and then I thought it was what 5 o'clock in the morning, and then I thought that there will be no one in the ground, and I placed my helmet onto the mirror of my Himalayan, and then I went for jogging. After 45 minutes, I thought of returning back, and then I found that my helmet was robbed. So that's how I lost my helmet. So I really wanted you people to take care of your helmets. If you really have good helmets, please don't leave them anywhere. Carry with them most of the times. And if you have a lock to your bike, please lock it to your bike. But then I recommend you to carry your helmet along with you wherever you go, because those are like pretty good helmets, and I don't want you people also to lose those. So a lesson learned in my life. That's how I learn in my life. Self-realization is the best realization. So please don't do that mistake. And coming to my empty helmet, I really wanted to upgrade my SMK, but I thought it would take almost 2 to 3 months for upgrading. But then I lost my helmet, so that's the reason I upgraded from SMK to empty helmets. And this Thunder 3 SV, especially for touring, I think this is the best helmet in the lot. This Thunder 3 costed me a bit more expensive, unlike SMK. This helmet along with the pin lock costs you somewhere around 8000 rupees. Heartbreaking. But nevertheless, you are investing in a right place if you go for best quality helmets. So 8000 rupees doesn't matter, because you are investing on your safety. So go for best protective helmets, especially the dot certified and the European certified helmets. So I think MT Thunder 3 SV is the best helmet right now for me. Before wasting time, let's check out the coolest features what the MT Thunder 3 SV provides us. So let's go. So I already unboxed this empty helmet, but in front of the camera once again, okay?
So, this is the MT Thunder 3 SV. Let's take it inside.
So this helmet is provided along with the box, and also with this bag kind of a thing, like carrying your helmet will be easier. So the first impressions, here you get the MT logo, the 3 stripes, which looks pretty cool and amazing. So the best thing about this helmet is there's written words each and everywhere on the helmet, specifying what features are there in this helmet. See, if you can see, this is the Max Vision visor and anti-scratch visor. So this is the visor actually. This is anti-scratch. It has got the anti-fog layer, if you can see. The double layer, if you can see on the helmet, this is called the anti-fog layer. You have to install a pin lock for this, which costs you somewhere around 1450 rupees separately. And these are the quick releasers, which helps you remove your visor easily and quickly. And here are some vents which are available, and here is another air intake vent, and one more hot air vent is here. And this is the dot certified and European certified helmet. And one more thing is, this has got the dual visor also. Wait a minute, I'll show you. Let's open the visor actually and take it to the lighting. And if you can see this thing, this is for the dual visor thing. If you push this up, you get this dual visor here, and if you push this down, it's off. And dual visor is only for the daytime use. When there is burning hot sun, you need to wear this. It really looks cool. Let's pull off this for now. And it has got some great padding which avoids wind blast and wind noise a lot inside the helmet. The cushioning is very smooth, if you can see. The padding is double layered, smooth enough. So here is the grip, the chin grip, and here you got the nozzle grip, and this is the injected thermoplastic shell. So that's it about this Thunder 3 SV helmet. And one more thing before concluding this video, I'll be uploading some traveling vlogs from next week maybe. Probably the next vlog will be a travel vlog. I'll decide the place and talk to you people about that. Probably if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do follow me on Instagram. I'll post each and every update over there. So I'll give the Instagram link in my description. So go check out my Instagram and follow there for some quick updates. I'll be letting you know which place I'm going for in the next 2 weeks. So there will be some pretty cool motor vlogs which will be coming up in our channel. I think this would be the first date ever on my Himalayan. So stay tuned, okay? I hope you people enjoyed this vlog. If you hit that like button, and it really motivates me. Please do subscribe to our channel. This really motivates me to make next interesting vlogs. So I hope you people subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next vlog. You know the drill. Keep watching my videos. Like, share and subscribe. Do not forget to hit the bell icon hard, okay? Until then, keep smiling. Bye bye.